Now, we're also going to reduce your cost of ownership. We're going to provide you almost $500 worth of oil changes and tire rotations. That's going to be 4 of them over the next 3 years, okay? If you drive a ton of miles and you use them up in a year and a half, well, you're still going to get 4. If you drive normally, you're going to get 4 over a 3-year period of time. We're going to pay for those oil changes. You don't have to. Now, why are we doing that? We're doing that because we've got a great service department, but you don't know that yet. So we're literally willing to pay you to use our service department to prove to you that it is a terrific experience back there. So when you buy a Motor Trend certified vehicle, you're going to get almost $500 worth of oil changes and tire rotations. Cool?
It's nice.
What's up, stranger?
Joe, how are you?
I'm doing well. How about yourself?
Very fine, thank you. Good to see you always.
Likewise.